Sony A8H 65-inch Bravia OLED TV. There is nothing like the thrill of movie night at home, popcorn in hand, or your new Sony TV. Sony is one of the most trusted brands in electronics, so it's no surprise that their TVs are some of the best on the market. For a true home cinema experience, you can't look past the Sony Bravia 65 inches A8H 4K UHD OLED TV. The sound and color are outstanding, offering the closest you'll get a movie theater in your home. You will benefit the state-of-the-art features including the X1 Ultimate Picture Processor, Dolby Vision, Pixel Contrast Booster, Acoustic Surface Audio and X-Motion Clarity, all working together to create a premium product. It has a very wide viewing angles, great if you have wide sitting arrangements. Millions of individual pixels are supercharged for more vibrant colors to complement absolute OLED black. It also wins points for its smart home compatibility with Google Assistant built-in and support included for Alexa and HomeKit. Unfortunately, it has the risk of permanent burn-in, which is typical for OLEDs. This may only be an issue if you constantly watch content with static elements like the news. While it's a fantastic purchase for just about anyone, it may not be ideal for hardcore gamers as it's lacking HDMI 2.1. Otherwise, you will really love this one. To check the price and see more details, please click on the link given in the description below.